Hey. Look what just showed up. It's from Amazon Prime. I didn't know I was a Prime member. I'm pretty sure I know what this is. Big moment. The first self-published book I ever put out on Amazon. Oh my god. Whoa, wait. Maybe I should introduce this differently. One of the biggest challenges I face in my daily life is balancing the need to create my own art and pay the bills at the same time. Even though I've been a full-time creative freelancer at this point for 20 years, I still look for ways to optimize the process. There's no one in this business but me, and most books I've seen on entrepreneurship have this growth mindset and seem to assume that you want to create an empire. I don't want to create an empire. I just want to create a sustainable career for one person. So back to the unboxing. Wow. Nice. Yep, everything looks just as I intended. Paper quality is really nice. Solo Survival Guide for Creative Freelancers is an attempt to pass on the knowledge I've picked up in the last 20 years of working freelance, from hands-on tools and tactics to the psychology and grit needed to stay afloat in this ever-changing world, mixing work for hire with my own projects. Also, I'm my own boss. I can't believe how lucky I am to be sitting indoors in this nice, warm, cozy office and writing and drawing stories for a living. That's amazing. So if you want some of that, I do urge you to pick up my new book, Solo. Right now, it's only available in ebook format. The good news is that you can pre-order the book at half price until August 15, 2019. So if you're going to get the book anyway, now would be a really good time. So go to bit.ly/solo-book to learn more and download a free 20-page sample. Now I think I gotta get back to work or my boss will... No, wait. I don't have a boss. I win! Woohoo!